In this video, I am going to show you how to change or add a phone number in your Paysera account. Open the Paysera app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it from the device's app store and log in to your account credentials. Once logged in, tap the settings icon, typically located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, find and select the option that says View My Profile or something similar, located under your profile name or avatar. Within your profile, look for a section titled Link Phone Numbers. Here, you'll see your current phone number and options to updating them. Tap on Link Additional Phone Number or a similar command to add a new number. Next, select your country code from the drop-down menu. Then enter the new phone number you wish to link to your account. After entering the new number, tap Continue. You will receive a 6-digit verification code via text message to the new one. Copy this code and paste it to the designated field. Once the code is entered and verified, your new account number will be linked to your Paysera account. You may receive a confirmation message or email acknowledging the update. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.